Welcome back, everyone. It's time to learn about walk mode. So walk mode is a handy feature, and it's going to allow you to maneuver your bike when you're not riding it. So it engages the motor at a walking pace, and this allows you to get up steeper inclines or hills, and it allows you to handle the bike a lot easier. Now, due to the differences on the displays of the RUSH City and MOSH City models, I will be showing you how to activate walk mode on each. And lucky for you guys, the only thing you need for this video is your e-bike itself. So let's check it out. So here's a quick run through of how to activate walk mode on our MOSH City models. So first, you're going to turn on your display by clicking the on-off key. After the lights turn on, you're going to hold down this walk assist button on the bottom. A blue LED will begin flashing right here. And then you're going to hold down this decrease assist button right here. So let's do it. Blue LED is flashing. Holding down the decrease assist button, and now walk mode is enabled. So now to disengage walk mode, you simply let off this key and the motor will stop assisting you. Alrighty, so now I have a RUSH City model in front of me, and I'm going to show you how to activate walk mode on it. So first things first, you press the on-off button on the front, and that'll pop on the display. So next, once the display is on, now all you do is press the walk assist button on the bottom. Then on the screen, it will indicate to press the decrease button on the rocker switch. And then you simply hold that button in as long as you want walk mode enabled. So here it goes. There you go. Walk mode is activated. And now I simply just let off the key to deactivate it. And it's as simple as that. There you go. Awesome job today, guys, learning how to use walk mode. Make sure you always use it when you're going over that tricky terrain or when you just want to show off to your friends for fun. So if you have any more questions, feel free to hop over to serial1.com. The support page is super helpful and informative. Otherwise, I'll see you all next time. Peace.